Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei P Smart 2021 NFC, and today I'll show you how you can scan your fingerprint and when the screen is turned off. So as you can see right now, when I try to scan my fingerprint, it is not working, right? All I have to do is just to press the power button, and right now it works. And of course, if you wonder if there's maybe no lock method, just check it out when I'm doing to make it with the other finger. As you can see, the fingerprint was not recognized. So if you don't want to press the power button on, then you want to only swipe like that or just tap it a little bit. And if you want to turn it on, you have to go for the settings. Next, you have to tap on the biometrics and the password. Then move to the fingerprint ID, input your currently locked method, and then go for this option, unlock when screen is off. So we have to change the press button to the rest finger, and just check it out right now. As you can see right now, it was unlocked, and we don't have to press on the button. We can, but we don't need. We can only simply tap or just slide. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.